Value in healthcare. How can we make a real difference? At the highest level, the concept of value is the benefit something provides versus what the cost is for obtaining that benefit. The same holds true for healthcare. What creates value in healthcare today? Failing to demonstrate the value of innovation is a high risk facing the life sciences sector. With the tremendous progress in developing solutions in pharmaceutical and medical device industry to date, demonstrating value at this time is difficult. Worldwide, healthcare systems face significant challenges in cost, quality, and access. Instead of simply focusing on contained clinical problems, manufacturers must take a broader view to creating value. There's a long way to go in curing all that ails healthcare systems today. Let's start to understand the value equation at a high level now by examining innovation on the benefit versus cost map. On the diagram on this slide, you see that the cost on the x-axis goes from low to high, and benefit on the y-axis goes from low to high. The black dot indicates where the current standard of care lies for a given clinical intervention, be it a diagnostic or therapeutic. Standard of care means that it is the currently acceptable way of achieving the objective that providers and payers use to help patients resolve their healthcare issue. So in other words, the current standard of care is the status quo. Anything that's introduced into the healthcare system will have to compete against this standard of care, as well as additional innovations that may provide benefits or value compared to that standard of care. When we look at the most promising areas for innovation, the sweet spot is to the left of the current standard of care, where the blue circle is on the graph. That circle is defined by interventions that offer lower cost, and they also offer increased benefit for addressing the issues of interest in the healthcare spectrum, as compared to current standard of care. Benefit in healthcare is defined by the outcomes achieved for stakeholders. What this means to companies is that they can understand the value that their innovation provides by plotting it on the benefit versus cost map, compared to the current standard of care. We'll understand what outcomes in healthcare means in greater detail after our exploration of stakeholders and the continuum of care.